Everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe, and it's summertime and summer is incomplete with a chilled glass of lassi. So today I'm going to share with you 4 different types of lassi recipe: chocolate lassi, cream lassi, Gondhoraj lemon lassi and mango lassi. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. So let's make summer cooler lassi in 4 ways. First one is Gondhoraj lemon lassi. So for that, first in a mixing jar I'm going to take half a cup of dahi or yogurt. To that, half a cup of milk. Next I'm going to add half a cup of chilled water and 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, powdered sugar, and then juice of half of Gondhoraj lemon. Gondhoraj is a special type of lemon found in Bengal especially, and the smell of it is just refreshing. So in with the lid and then just blitz it in the mixer grinder, and within no time the first one is ready. I have used ice cold water, so I'm not using any ice in this, but if you want to use ice, definitely go for it. So I'm going to garnish it with a slice of Gondhoraj lemon and a sprig of mint, and our Gondhoraj lemon lassi is ready. It's so refreshing and healthy and chilling. Just enjoy it. Next is mango lassi. Mango, the king of fruit, and in this summer it's readily available. So for that, here in the mixing jar I have taken 1 cup of dahi or yogurt. To that, half a cup of milk and mango. I'm here using Himsagar mango, which is famous in Bengal. I've diced it into small pieces. Then goes 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar or caster sugar. Next goes half a cup of chilled water. Next, in with the lid and blitz for a few minutes till everything is nicely mixed up, and it's done. I'm going to use some ice cubes here because for blitzing this process it took a lot of time and it heated up the ice water. So I'm again going to blitz it, and it's ready. Serve it in a tall glass. Top it off with some small cubes of mangoes like this, and garnish it with some greens, mint leaves, and it's done. Doesn't it look so refreshing and delicious and mouth-watering? Can't wait to dig into that. So do make this mango lassi recipe and enjoy. Next is cream lassi. This one is my favorite one. For that, again in a mixing jar I have taken 1 cup of dahi or yogurt and 1/4 cup of milk. Then goes 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. I'm using Amul fresh cream here. You can increase the amount of cream according to your taste. Next goes 1 tablespoon of caster sugar and half a cup of chilled water, and ice cubes as required. I want it really chilled, so I have used ice cube. Now blitz it for a few seconds and it's done. It's refreshing and the creaminess in this lassi is just awesome. Do try this recipe. Just try this recipe. It will be your favorite lassi in this summer. So enjoy your cream lassi. Next, chocolate lassi. Chocolate is everyone's favorite, and when it's mixed with lassi form, it's divine. So for that, again, in the mixing jar, 1 cup of yogurt, half a cup of milk, 3/4 tablespoon of caster sugar because I'm using chocolate here. Here I'm using 5-6 cubes of dairy milk chocolate, and some chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Then let's sit for a few minutes, and I'm going to add some ice cubes because it also took some more time to blitz because it contains some chunks of chocolate. So blitz again. When we blitz it for extra time, it becomes a little bit hot. That's why I'm using ice cubes, and I have decorated this glass as I showed you with some chocolate syrup. Now pour the lassi and again top it off with some more chocolate syrup, and that's it. Chocolate lassi is ready. It is the mouth-watering one. I mean, who doesn't love chocolate? And this much chocolate is just divine. So here's the recipe of chocolate lassi, cream lassi, Gondhoraj lassi and mango lassi, and let me know in the comment section which one did you like. And don't forget to like the video, share the video and comment on the comment section below. Thank you.